Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Sheets and Docs in Gemini Chat. To get started, open Google Gemini in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are in the main chat interface and ready to enter a prompt. This process is simple, but it helps to move carefully so everything connects properly the first time. Next, enter a sample prompt in the Gemini chat box. This can be a simple request that would normally involve working with a document or spreadsheet. The goal here is to begin interacting with Gemini so the option to connect your Google tools becomes relevant and visible. Typing a prompt first can help trigger the connection flow and make it clear what kind of access Gemini may need in order to assist you. Before going any further, take a moment to confirm that the Google account you are using in Gemini is the same account that has access to your Google Sheets and Google Docs files. This is an important part of the setup. If Gemini is open under one account and your files are stored under another, the connection may not work as expected, or your files may not appear when you try to use them. If needed, switch accounts now, so everything is aligned before you continue. Once you have confirmed that both Gemini and your Google files are under the same account, look for the Connect option and click it. This is the step that links Gemini with your Google Workspace tools. When you select Connect, Gemini will begin the authorization process so it can interact with your files in a secure way. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure. You may be asked to review permissions, confirm access, or approve the connection through a standard Google authorization window. Read each screen carefully and continue through the prompts until the connection is complete. In most cases, this only takes a moment. As a helpful tip, if something does not appear right away, refresh the page or reopen Gemini after the connection is finished. Also, make sure your browser is signed in to the correct Google account throughout the entire process. Once the setup is complete, Gemini should be ready to work more smoothly with your Google Sheets and Docs, making it easier to reference and use your files directly in chat. That's it for this guide. You have now walked through how to connect Google Sheets and Docs in Gemini Chat.